up, right back, up back. Since we're gonna do it a couple of times, I would advise you to copy my hand movements. Turn with your right hand up, push with your right finger, turn your right hand down, push with your left finger. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the left side and call it the lefty algorithm. Move the left side up, push with your left finger, left side down, push with your right finger. I highly recommend practicing both algorithms because we will be using them a lot in this tutorial. Once you understand these basic concepts and know the algorithms, you can move on. The first step of solving the Rubik's Cube is creating a cross on the white layer of the cube. But as you remember, the cross pieces need to be solved correctly, which means the colors need to line up with the centers. It's very easy because we're going to do it in 2 steps. We're gonna start off by creating a daisy. In other words, putting white edges around the yellow center. So grab your cube and let's get solving. For this step, we're only gonna look at the 4 edges that have white on them. At this stage, it doesn't really matter what you're doing with all the other pieces. We're gonna be holding the yellow center on top and start aligning the white edges to the yellow center. Here I have a white edge and I can just place it up like so. Here's another one, just 1 turn. Here's another one. Look how easy it is. Now the last one is a bit more tricky because if I put this one up, it puts the other one down. So instead we're gonna use the empty space and just place it in that spot. And voila, we have our daisy. The hardest case you can get when creating a daisy is when you have a white edge in the top layer but flipped upside down, like shown here. We can easily solve this by putting the edge one place down. Once again, we cannot just put it up, but instead we're gonna put the empty slot on top of it and then just insert it like so. Damn, this is easy. Once we have our daisy, we can just line up the edge color that is facing us to the correct center and place it down. This way every edge will be in the correct spot. So here's green, line it up and put it down. Here we have blue, line it up once again, place it down. And lastly, the orange piece, just like that, and we have our cross.